Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply for Canada Open Work Permit for H1B visa holders in USA using IRCC portal. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this IRCC portal. If you have not already created an account, you have to create using sign up option. So I'm going here. You have an option, start an application, visit, study or work in Canada as a temp resident. Click here. And also I want to clarify, like, as I said, the information I'll put in this video will be totally sample, would not belong to any real person. So when you enter your application, you have to use your information. And if you take anything from this, you do it at your own risk. Okay. So these are steps. Okay. You need to read that and click on I acknowledge. It's asking, do you want to apply for more than one person at a time? So this is generally for family. Okay. They have written you want to submit an application for yourself plus your spouse and children. So let's say you are alone, but if you are applying with family, like you are an H1B visa holder in USA along with your spouse, then you can click any yes and then you can proceed. But I'm selecting no, but you need to accordingly. So what you want to do, you want to apply work permit. Okay. See, an open work permit for an H1B visa holder. Okay. You can select. And if you are a spouse, yeah, that I mean, there are conditions that's why showing error. But for our video, an open work permit, you want to apply for an H1B visa holder. Select the province or territory that you plan to live. If you don't know, you can click on unknown. So for example, I'm selecting Ontario. UCI is a unique client identifier. If you have ever applied to IRCC before, you will have UCI. If not, you can leave it because it's going to be generated and it's an optional value. So if you have provided, it will help IRCC and you because they will get your data from the system. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Click save and continue. So now it is telling you what are the documents you need. Valid passport, one free page, proof of H1B visa, proof of I-797, I-797B form, also known as your H1B work permit. Okay. You may need other document based on the questionnaire. Okay. So basically, these are documents issued by US Immigration. So basically, that they are going to use to determine if you are actually eligible or not. Okay. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? So no, like let's say you're not a representative. Personal details. So again, guys, these details are going to be sample. You're going to put as per your case. So let's say there's an Indian citizen whose name is John Smith, who is on H1B visa in USA and is applying this. So we'll fill at accordingly. Okay. And yeah, very simple questions. Passport, travel document, what you are carrying. Let's say this guy has a regular passport. Country code that matches your passport. So I'm doing this, but if whatever is your case, you are gonna do passport number. Oh, can I do copy and paste? Oh no, I have to enter. Issue, just sample. Okay. Typical Indian passports are valid for 10 years, so I'll make it like that. Okay. Are you lawful permanent resident of USA with a valid green card? I select no. Have you held a Canadian visitor visa in past 10 years? No. Do you currently hold a valid H1B visa? I select yes. You will need to provide proof of your H1B visa. Okay. I'm going to sample numbers. Not sure it will be accepted. Expiry date, let's say it's expiring in 2026. Just sample, guys. You need to check your documents and fill accordingly. Are you traveling to Canada by air? I select no. Like you can drive also, right? Country territory where you were born. city or town you were born. I just select New Delhi. Are you citizen of more than one country? Well, if you are an Indian citizen, it's not possible because India does not allow dual citizenship, but for other countries, it is possible. Which country you are a citizen of? India. I'm a citizen. If you are a citizen by birth, you can select this. It's going to auto-populate. Your valid nationality document, I select no, but in India, like you get Aadhaar card and other documents, so that you can provide. Have you used another name in past? I select no, but many people have. Okay, country, select a country or territories. For H1B visa, it's, right, you have to be in USA. Start typing your address in the list manually because I don't have any address, guys. So I'm just putting manually, but you can type and uh, city. What should I do? India, no. I don't know if such city exists. 67725. 5 digits, right? For USA, I'm not sure. Is your mailing same address? Yes. List your current country or territory of residence, then add all other country or territories where you lived for the past 5 years for more than this. Okay. So current country. So current country, I'm adding United States of America. Okay. What is your status here? So you're a worker, H1B visa. When? So let's say you entered this year in the month of, again, guys, you need to fill as per your case, March 8. Okay. This is where I currently live. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So last 5 years. So let me see if it will allow me. Yeah. For 5 years. Yeah. I just wanted to skip this, but you have to provide this data for last 5 years. Select our countries. Let's say if I select India, what is the citizen from? So let's say he has lived there since birth. This guy, 5. What was that I selected? To, let's say this year, March 7. Save. Okay. Okay. Biometrics. Do we already have your fingerprint of biometric and are they still valid? Answer yes, only if you gave your biometric or work function and know your biometric still valid. If you're not sure, okay. I'm selecting no, but you can always open this and find out. I'm not going into the conditions, but check this. But you know what? Let's check it. You are signing out of your don't, oh no, don't sign out. So, okay, I'll click save on continue. Post education. Have you studied post secondary education? I select yes. Details. So in India, typically post secondary, like university, people generally start at 18. So this guy, we've set a date of birth 1995. So let's say when he was in 2013, he joined, and 2017 he passed out. Okay. So 2013 to 2017, I'll put. Let's say June. Name of the school. I'm just giving sample, guys. Dell IT College. Level of study, university bachelor's degree. Field of study, let's say he studied IT. Select a country, let's say studied in India. India. Street address 3. I'm putting all sample, guys, but you have to put the real values. Thank you. Okay, work activities. Did you serve in military, militia, civil defense unit, force unit? No. Give details of all your employment activities since the age of 18. Okay. So add. So, what have they asked? Give all your employment activities. Do not include any entry that you already put for post-secondary. So we have put post-secondaries like 2013 to 17, education, military. So let's say 2017 he like he passed out. 17 July to let's say 2023. Where is that? Ah, Feb. He was employed. Okay. So what was he doing? Ah, art, business, finance, government. But whichever is applicable for you, you have to select that. Sales and service. Let me service. IT is also service. Job title. Wow. Yeah. Company. Job duties best described. I'm just writing this because I have to bypass this, but you provide your details. Okay. Proper details. Select a country where you did. India. Street address. Delhi. Save. Okay. Now they have asked to provide ongoing. So I'll select ongoing. The two is gone. Select month. March. Work activity. Job title. Company employer. Let's say Indiano IT. Main duties provide properly. Select a country. Let's say United States of America. Address I'm doing manually because I don't have any address. Street number. Street name. City town. India. No. State. Kentucky. Wow. I'm sure that address does not exist, although I never visited Kentucky. During past 5 years, have you traveled to country territory other than the one where you are citizen or where you live now? I select no. But if you have, yes, provide. Have you ever stayed kind of beyond the validity of your status and school without authorization? I select no. Have you ever been refused visa work or denied entry? I select no. Now, have you ever committed crime? So I'm selecting no for criminal and other health related. But if you have, provide this information. Any political party, other group or nation which has engaged in advanced violence, witness. No. Have you had medical inform performed by IRC authorized beneficiary last 12 months? I select no. Next. Health history. I select no. But if you have, definitely provide. Medical background question. Dialysis treatment, drug, alcohol, mental health, syphilis. I select no. How many more tabs, guy? Still many. Family. What is the marital status? I select single. If you have married, provide that. Do you have adopted stepchildren? I select no. Where you adopted, provided the legal parent. I don't know my parents are. But definitely you'll be having. So, okay, let me go for the regular case. Let's say you know your parents. In most of cases, yeah, you know. So let's say his father name is Peter Smith. Sample guys. Father, date of birth. Suppose he's deceased. Date of birth, let's say he's 1995, right? So I make his father 1962 month. Uh, how did I miss this? Okay. Country or territory of birth, India. Okay. Oh, date of birth I missed. Oh, okay. Sorry. Date of death. So let's say his dad died in, or death date you have to provide. Let's say 2016 or 15. Okay, say sample. Add surname. Let's say his mother name is Elena Smith. Okay, mother. Uh, Sometimes I move my cursor fast. I apologize for that. Date of birth. Let's say she is from 1965, still alive. Country of territory of birth, India. Present occupation, let's say homemaker. Do we have home? I search homemaker. Okay, they accepted. Same address as you, yeah? No, oh, then he has to provide Indian address because currently, let's say his mommy is in India. India, street address, city town, New Delhi, postal code. Will come to you with you to Canada. I select no and click save. Perfect. Save and continue. What is your native language, mother language? So let's say he's for his, it's Hindi, but whatever is in your case, you need to put that. Can you communicate in English or French? I select English. What language do you want us to contact you? So I select English. If French, select French. Email address, confirm email address. I'll just put something. No email at uh, nomail.com. No email sample, right? Nomail.com. Then continue. Telephone number. Summary. Add. That's a cellular. Canada, US. Add. What should I do? 647 0000000. Okay, save. Yeah, it worked. Sample, guys. Okay, now you can see every section. You can click on every section and see what you have answered. If you want to edit any section, you can edit from here. Next is documents and fee. Okay. So if I click on save and continue, it will ask me to upload the documents. One size limit is 2 MB per file and file extension that are supported. Okay. Mandatory and optional documents. If you wanna include a cover letter or additional document, this is the place you can. Once you go to the next step, it will ask you to pay the fee. Then in consent and declaration, you will be signing the application digitally by checking the checkbox and putting your full name. And then that's it. You can submit from there. So that's how simple it is, guys, and that's how it works. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government bot. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Thanks for watching.